Alright, I think I'm gonna do 2 paintings with the new pouring medium, which is the Collall pouring medium, 60-30-10, and then I split up the 10 into Floetrol and GAG 800 from Golden. And in making this pouring medium compared to the other one, which I did the previous pours on with the Baker Ross paint, which is extra strong PVA paint, and the Collall is the Bookbinders paint, glue, my bad. PVA glue and the Bookbinders glue. This is a little more fluid than the Baker Ross edition. The rest is all the same, you know, also a 5.5 on the mediums. So we'll see what this does today. Alright, let me mix up some paints.